Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to add and customize music in edits. Music is one of the key elements that make Reels engaging, and edits give you more control than ever before. From your edits workspace, tap the Add Audio track or the audio below in your toolbar, and this will open up Instagram's sound library where you can search through trending audio. You can cycle through For You, what you haven't saved, trending, original audio, even royalty-free audio. Or you can choose import, and you can choose to extract audio from a video or import audio from files. Once you've chosen a track, it will immediately start to play, so you can start listening, and you can choose to select another sound if you do not like the first selection. If it is that you do like the selection that you have chosen, you will just select the arrow, and this will take you to the part where you can both view the cover art of the audio and the name of the artist, and you can choose where you want the audio to start. Once you're done with that, you select add, and now the audio is added to your audio track in your timeline, and this is above your video clips. You'll find in other editing tools that the audio track is below the video track, but this is very unique to edits, so this will just take a short while to get used to. At this point, while the audio is here in the timeline, you can still drag the audio layer to trim to determine where you want it to actually start and end, so that it syncs perfectly with the video. Or on the flip side, you can trim the video to match the audio. To fine-tune even further, make sure that the audio layer is selected, and from here you can view in the toolbar below that it opens up the option to make adjustments to the volume, to fade the track from its in point and out point, or even match beats to your clips automatically. This new level of control means your reels can finally sound as professional as they look, all without leaving the app. And one of my favorite things about edits is any tool that you use, you'll see a yellow dot that's appeared below. This will tell you what tool you have applied to what audio or video layer. So if you need to make adjustments, you'll know where to go and make the adjustments as you wish. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.